to another video. I got this. Fornus F4.
Is that video?
Yeah. Oh, oof. Well, guys, so look, it's not live. So I got these three Beyblades, and then I got Fornus, which I'm gonna open. And I bought it from Walmart, and I got a stadium. I'm gonna test it from me. All right, guys. And my dad bought it just right now. They need to go. So we're gonna test it out. Yeah. And it's a fat bear. Ugh. Oh yeah, and the code. There's a code for the game. There's the code. Where's the defense type. Then we can switch to up. Basically, it's just like this. I don't know if you can see that. And basically, change it to this. Whoa, this is cool.
Amazing.
That's cool. So I'm gonna get the launcher out. And I got these 3 other bays that I'm gonna play with it to battle it.
Let's see who's gonna be there. Huh?
Yeah. This is defense type, attack and attack. First, I'm gonna assemble this because. Alright. Whoa. Then.
So cool, eh?
Oh, there. Okay, there. Then somewhere like.
There we go.
Yeah, somewhere like that. Oh, this happens all the time. So like I have to put it like somewhere here. Where is that? Oh yeah, right here. And then I can put it here. There. Then somewhere like there. Whoa, look at that. So big.
Why is it too big?
Because that's how it is. Unlike Saturn. Like
which one's the new one?
this one. This one's the new one. And I'm going to be battling these 3 versus Fornus. It's attack type. And
Come on, let's do this.
alright. I need my. And I'm gonna get the launcher in a sec. Versus these. No launcher. Oh, there we go. It's not really that bend. Not really.
Go there. Yeah. No, at the back. At the back. At the back.
Maybe like. Oh, here. There you go.
Put
Got
down
it.
your scissor.
Trace. Yeah, there you go. Now I need somebody, and Daddy, will you help me to battle?
Sure.
Alright. You're gonna be
It's mine.
Satum. Alright. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Let it rip.
It's mine. See?
The black one.
Oh!
I bursted you.
Yeah.
Oh, it bursted.
That's the new one?
Yeah, this one.
That's so cool, eh?
This one's a stronger.
Holy cow. You
Ooh.
broke mine, eh?
Yeah. It bursted. It
Pwede yan,
bursted.
dalawa na kayo ni Dada.
It bursted.
How about this one? I'll go for this one.
Alright.
Come on, man.
Then your next one is this. And materials.
Come on, man.
Oh my God.
Alright. This one lost.
Oh my God.
This
Paano
one,
ito paglagay?
oh, you have to do this first, and then like this.
Oh.
Alright. Let's see.
3.
3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh, I lost.
Oh, you
One
lost.
more, because that doesn't count. Since I lost. Alright. Alright. No, in the other one. Yeah. Fully. Hard. Yeah, there. Alright.
How many turns?
That's it. 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Let it rip. Ooh. Oh, you lost. This one's so strong.
Yes.
And it glows.
Yeah.
Alright. Yours is your next one
Okay,
is
I'm
this.
lost. I'm lost now.
Oh. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna do another
You
battle.
win.
Yeah, because this is so strong. It's a strong bay. I have a different trick, guys. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put this on Fornus, and then this on Amaterios, and then I'm gonna launch Amaterio first, and then Fornus. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, but this time I'm gonna go with the other mode, Stamina mode. Whoa, which is so cool. And I'm gonna test the first mode out, and then next round I'm gonna battle these 3 bays with the next stamina. So I'm gonna do that. So Amaterios, 3, 2, 1, let's. Oh wait, this one
Too
glows.
fast, eh?
I know, cause it's a defense. All right, which one? This one glows. This one doesn't, because it doesn't say it glows. This one defense and attack. It's so strong.
Yeah.
So
Oh! Wala pa yung ano, oh. Oh!
I know, right? All right, next mode. All right, guys, I'm gonna test the next mode.
Anong bago na yan na binili?
It's worth of money. All right, now
Tapos yung ano eh.
it's a defense mode. That's why. Now I'm gonna test the other mode, guys. And I'm not sure if it's stamina, because on the box it says that has lots of stamina, guys. I'm gonna show you really quick. So look at the stamina. It's so blurry, guys, because I don't have really good quality. But look, it says stamina 4, and it has weight. But that's the heavy. That's how heavy that is. So the weight doesn't matter to it, but stamina does. And burst attack. Attack doesn't really have agility. Doesn't really. So stamina, defense, burst, and attack. So the highest of one of the second one is stamina. So maybe it will be a stamina bay, guys. I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing it will be stamina. So because it has more power to it from attack and burst. So let's do that. This furnace is much. I think it's OP for me, to be honest with you guys. Not bragging, just telling the truth. Alright. I'm gonna clean up, guys. So I'm gonna see you when I'm done. Alright guys, I'm back. This bay really has so many stamina.